Hey guys, it's me, Ronnie, and I am coming to do a voiceover for you guys. I found this old video on my computer and I decided to post it because I really love this project and I wanted to show you guys. So, this is an old canvas that was gifted to us that I'm working on. I'm using some old house paint that we had because I really didn't want to go out and buy a new canvas for a project that I didn't even know was going to work, quite frankly. And so I used this old canvas and I didn't want to buy any more paint because it was a big canvas and I already needed paint for the acrylic pour is what they call it. So I wanted to do the idea and decided to use things I already had at home. So this is just me showing you what it looks like after only one coat. So I just needed to cover the design on the canvas, and this is me showing you all the paints that I used. A lot of whites because I needed a lot of white, and also my glitter, of course, my love. So yeah, used a lot of glitter also. So as you can see, I'm putting my glitter in now, and I didn't show this part, but when I finished putting all my glitter in, I also added in some gloss Mod Podge. I thought it would help hold in the glitter when I poured it onto the canvas, and after it dried, and it did a great job of that, and you probably can see a little bit of that. And I'm also adding the rest of the white paint from me painting the canvas right on top. So as you can see, the glitter exploded. So what I would do next time is put it in different layers, maybe do back and forth, paint, glitter, because as you can see, I didn't mix it. I just let it be as it may, and that caused that explosion, but who cares? Who doesn't love a glitter explosion? So I wanted to tell you guys that I actually have this canvas on a can in my garage on top of some paper bags, And what I'm doing is just gently rotating and tilting the canvas to let the paint slide. With it, and I have been ever since I did it, and my family loves it. My son says it reminds him of the earth, so that's pretty sweet. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time.